If you can glide through the sky like a hawk, would you? I checked out a place where you can spread your wings and fly.
Our mission is to deliver the dream of flight to everybody.
And now I'm ready to fly like Superman. iFLY is a closed-door indoor facility that simulates skydiving.
We're a vertical wind tunnel. We're a free fall simulator.
With enough wind force to defy gravity, anyone can fly like their favorite superhero, including youngsters.
I do it because I love it. What's most fun is spinning.
For first-timers, these tips can enhance the flying experience.
It's a really intense environment. It's really loud and obviously it's very windy. But people get in there and they tense up. And the most important thing to fly really well is to be nice and relaxed, nice and calm and still.
And that was a high-flying fun experience. For the intermediate or experienced flyers, iFLY also offers advanced lessons. Wow, that was a great adrenaline rush.